Welcome to Sharma Welding Store, manufacturer and supplier of welding electrodes and machines. An ISO 9001 certified company, established in 2012 at Noida, we are an authorized dealer of Weld alloy, Maruti Weld, and others. L&T and Reliance Petroleum are some of our prestigious clients, and we are backed by streamlined business policies and immense industry expertise. We offer a wide array of Weld alloy welding electrodes, copper electrode, and welding wires. Weld alloy welding electrodes are best in the industry amongst others. Maruti Weld welding electrodes offered by us are widely appreciated in the market. Our organization is highly involved in providing an impeccable range of L&T welding machines that are a class apart. Roteck welding machines are acknowledged for their functionality. Our copper electrode and welding wires are available at industry-leading prices. For more information, log on at www.sharmaweldingsstore.in.